Linear equation, to solve it, is very useful in our daily lives, maybe in our different activities we do day to day. So linear equations, after getting how to solve it, it will be useful. Hello ladies and gentlemen and lovers of mathematics. Today you are with teacher Chuti Abdu, a TV trainer at RTC TV Training Center in Bumenyi. So we are going to learn together what is linear equation. Keep watching. Linear equation, to solve it, is very useful in our daily lives, maybe in our different activities we do day to day. So linear equations, after getting how to solve it, it will be useful. So let's see what is linear equations. Linear equations is an equation, one equation that includes one variable. The variable you can call the name you want, either x or y. Let's have a simple example to identify the linear equation. Let's have a simple example in our daily lives. So we are going to take an example where everyone is going to take care of. This example is going to be what is the importance of solving a linear equation. Sometimes you have 10 bottles and you will take it to somewhere. So these 10 bottles is tied into a sack. So when you reach through a way, moving, you are going to crawl down. When you scroll down, some of the bottles are going to be broken. So when you reach at the place, at your destination, when you count, you get that there is the real bottles are 6. So the question is this: how many bottles were broken while we are scrolling through the road? Keep watching. We are going to see together how to find the number of the bottles broken while you scrolled down through walking to your destination. Let us take an example of a kid. Let's call him Tom. Tom had 10 bottles. When he was moving, he fell down and some of the bottles were broken. When he reaches to his destination, he counted, he found that unbroken bottles were 6. So how many broken bottles? So we are going to see that together in order to find the broken bottles together. This is the form of a linear equation we are going to see together here on a whiteboard. According to the example we've seen, we know that this kid called Tom had 10 bottles. When he fell down, there is some bottles broken. So let's call them X. Then at the end of the day, he get that he was found 6 unbroken bottles. So we have these are bottles broken. So we have also 6 the bottles left unbroken. So we are going to see how many bottles broken. So this is the form of linear equation. So to solve the linear equation, we correct the like terms. We take these unknown values or this variable x here on left hand side, and other numbers you shift them to right hand side, and then you operate. So we shall have negative x, which is equal to 6, negative 10. When you are shifting a value from one place to the other, it changed the sign. Here we had plus 10, then it has changed the place. We have got negative 10. Then negative x will be equal to negative 4. Then negative x over negative 1 is equal to negative 4 over negative 1. So x will be equal to 4. So it means that the 4 were the broken bottles. So this 4 bottles, it means that in 10 bottles, 4 were broken, so 6 bottles were left unbroken. Ladies and gentlemen who are watching me, we are taking the very easy examples, simple examples that are here in our daily lives. So if you want more about linear equation, how to solve linear equations, there are many types of linear equations, like linear equations involving fractions, linear equations involving surds, and linear involving of many different functions like trigonometry and other functions. Please keep watching. We shall talk more about linear equations and how to solve them. Please keep following RTC TV Imamia Bumenyi. You will learn more about mathematics. Thank you for watching.